Area I truly salute and I know welcome on football in Pidgin. After match talk how you see am. Chelsea 0 and Man City 1. And we get Oga Godwin be like saying Ogbonge person, Ogbonge football lover. Make on tell us about how you see the performance from both teams today. Oga Godwin, how you see the performance from Manchester City and also from Chelsea.
Well, the way me I see am, man, Chelsea try. Normally I no be Chelsea fan, no be Man City fan. I just come to mock Chelsea today, but wetin I can't see, I no fit mock them again because right now they try well. They dey under injury. Upon the injury where they have many of their players against, they still fit hold Man City 1-0 down. Then try for that. So I give them hand five for that one. Yes.
So make I ask you now, Oga Godwin. Now, which player will you think say play pass from both sides? Maybe like say if you want to give your own man of the match, now you will give man of the match for this match where you watch today.
That chukwuemeka. For me, chukwuemeka, yes. That guy, he good well. At least as he enter and the match change. You see and say Chelsea now pick up again. No be like first time where we say you come Chelsea and Man City they drag 0-0 like say as chukwuemeka enter, he make Chelsea now come up again. Even if from back, they say and say they defend, they see the attack, they try to make sure say he create the midfield well. It don't be like before Chelsea now. They try. Chukwuemeka try well this time around. I'll give an answer. I'm fine for today match.
So Oga Godwin, make I ask you now. You say normally you come mock Chelsea today, but at which football club now you support? Which fan the fan of which football club you be?
I be Man U fan, yes, so Manchester.
So, but make I ask you now. No say no be your team no play today, but how you see the Ogbonge work when Eric Ten Hag they do? Because me personally, I don't see difference since Eric Ten Hag come Man U and the recent performance where they see for Man U, they say Manchester United they plan something. How you see Eric Ten Hag work?
Well, Eric Ten Hag they try you. For me, they try well. As he come Man U, so change is there. At least we will be Man U fan now. They get hope. Say even if we did that top 4, we go meet up the Champions League next season. We no go back to Europa. At least we dey get that hope, that confidence. Say okay, yes, Europa no dey for us again. And Champions League na be our fate. Yes.
So I want to ask you also about this Manchester City team. We see what Chelsea follow them do today. So even though Chelsea proves say they be hard nuts to crack, but Man City still find a way to win now. With what you they see for the league so far, you think say Arsenal go fit win the Premier League this season or make the common body for Man City?
Well, with the performance so far, where I don't see, Arsenal go see carry on. Because Man City still dey shake. If to say Chelsea dey fit, Chelsea for hold them draw. But right now, we be say their players and they injury. You watch the match now. Most of Chelsea players and they injury. Now I may say they fit still see one goal score. If not, Man City this season, they no fit collect the league. Yes.
So I want to ask you about Graham Potter now. Some football fans say they're not convinced with what they see the work when they do for Chelsea. But you now, because you they watch Chelsea, they play under Graham Potter. How you they see Chelsea under this coach?
This Graham Potter, na better coach, na good coach. The man, wetin just need now, na finance, money to use buy good players for Chelsea. Because if you watch when Lampard been the coach Chelsea, once that money then give am that when windows open, when buy those small boys, he want say use and perform well, go far. So now still the same thing this man need.
Make them give Potter more money.
Yes, make them open up, give am more money, make him go sign better players. Players they market now. Young ones then say we say we never hear their name. We feel hot. We feel make Chelsea come up from that top 11 where they go. So go either 6 or 4. Chelsea still get hope. Chelsea get hope. I know Chelsea fan, but with this man, if they give her money to buy players, the new ones they still get where their blood still hot. Chelsea go far. Chelsea go far this season.
All right now, Oga Godwin, thank you for your time. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you now as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.